Here's a brutal truth most beginners will never hear. 90% of the hackers quit before they even begin. They think hacking is a movie, dark days, flashing terminals, instant root access. But the reality, one command fails, an error pops up, frustration kicks in, and they quit. You download Kali Linux, fire up your terminal, and feel like you're about to own the world. You copy paste a command from YouTube, and boom, error. You try another one, error again. Suddenly, the confidence you had turns into doubt. This is the moment where 90% of the people walk away.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Not because hacking is impossible, but because hacking demands patience, obsession, and failure. And most of the people aren't built for that. Here's the truth: copying commands won't make you a hacker, downloading tools won't make you a hacker. Anyone can install Metasploit, Burp Suite, or Nmap or Wireshark, but tools are just weapons. And a weapon is useless if you don't know how to use it. You can run Nmap all night, but if you don't know how or what an open port actually means, you're blind. You can launch Metasploit exploits, but if you don't understand how the vulnerability actually works, you're just pressing buttons. That's why most of the people quit. They expect hacking to be magic, but hacking is a science, more like a mindset. Real hackers are forged in failure. You spend nights breaking your own lab machines, fixing them, breaking them again. You watch packets in the Wireshark until your eyes burn. You chase reversal at 4 a.m., debugging why it failed for the 10th time. That's where hackers are made. Not in comments, not in tutorials, but in the chaos of failure and the obsession to keep going. The first time you crack a password with Hashcat, the first time you bypass an antivirus with a payload you built, the first time you land a reverse shell with Netcat, your heart races. That rush is addictive. But the real reward isn't the rush, it's the mastery. The moment you stop Googling every error and start understanding why it failed, the moment you can read a CVE and instantly visualize the exploit chain, that's when you stop being a beginner. That's when you stop being part of the 90%. Cybersecurity is not a hobby. It's not a weekend skill. It's a grind. It's an obsession. It's falling in love with the failure because every error teaches you something that next beginner will never know. Most people quit because they treat hacking like some entertainment. But the ones who survive treat it like oxygen, like something they can't live without. And once your mindset flips, there's no going back.
Son, you know, once you start, there's no going back.
I know.
You stop learning hacking, you become the hacker. So, here's my challenge to you: don't be part of the 90%. Don't quit after a few errors. Build your own lab, break it, fix it, break it again, fall in love with the grind. Because if you survive where most of the people quit, you won't just learn hacking, you'll become unstoppable. This is HackerX, your training ground. Subscribe now because the next video I drop might just change the way you see hacking forever. See you in the next one.
I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary.